After a great day on the water, do you dread the time it takes to clean your boat? Does the thought of cleaning sometimes prevent you from using your boat at all? Introducing the WayKleen Power Washer. Prepare to be amazed. WayKleen Power Washer was designed and built to survive in the harsh saltwater conditions. It features the best components available in the industry and now revolutionizes cleaning and maintaining your boat.
And you can change the stream of the sprayer with an adjustable nozzle,
making it a pleasure rather than a chore. Tucked into our custom fiberglass dock box is a Krenzel power washer, a nifty stainless steel and aluminum hose reel, 100 foot of kink-free hose, pressure gun, wand, soap blaster, and a water deionizing system that will leave your boat with a spot-free finish. This is not a pressure washer in a box. The WayKleen Power Washer is not your typical high-pressure washer that can damage your boat and peel off decals. It was designed to apply 2,000 psi with a 1.9 gallon per minute. This ensures you have enough power with no risk of damaging your boat, cushions, cars, motorcycle furniture, or anything else that needs a good cleaning. Installation of the WayKleen Power Washer is a breeze. Simply attach your water supply to our quick disconnect hub and plug it in. First, turn on the water supply and turn on the switch to apply the initial rinse. Second step, easily attach the foam soap blaster and cover everything with a thick cleansing foam. The environmentally friendly soap encapsulates the salt, grime, and other undesirables and prepares them to be easily rinsed away. Third step, reconnect your power cleaning tip and without any scrubbing, watch the stains disappear. Finally, flip the switch to engage the deionizing filter system and give your boat a spot-free rinse and simply walk away. The beauty of our design and our plug-and-play technology gives you years of trouble-free service. It also includes a water tester that will tell you when it's time to change your deionizing beads, which deionizes between 800 to 1,000 gallons of water before changing, depending on your water quality.
An easy way to test this is with the water tester that is included in the WayKleen Power Washer.
The beads are easy to replace and available at our website.
And now you have a very clean engine.
In a marina environment, you can team up with your slipmates and split the cost of the WayKleen Power Washer. With 100 foot of hose included, you can easily access numerous vessels. As an option, get our handy cart to move your WayKleen Power Washer anywhere it needs to go to help you clean your windows, lawn furniture, cars, bikes, and anything that needs cleaning. Custom colors are available, and we can even put the name of your boat on the front of the WayKleen box. Enjoy boating life more and change the way you feel about cleaning with our easy-to-use, high-quality WayKleen Power Washer, the most effective and efficient way to clean your boat. To order a WayKleen or for more information, give us a call at 1-800-688-1033 or visit our website at noprofileboatlifts.com.